Okay, for part B of the question number 21, we have to find the domain of the function, and the function is given as f of x is equal to sine inverse of x square minus 4. Now, we know that the domain for the function, now this function, the domain of the function means that we have to find the value of x. Now, for this function, sine inverse function, this value is that is the sine inverse of x square minus 4. This is the domain and it's always between minus 1 and 1. So that means and x square minus 4 is always greater than equal to minus 1 but less than equal to 1. So let's try to find the value of x from here. So if I have to find the value of x, let me add 4 on for every term here. So this gives me 3 is greater than equal to, this gets cancelled, is greater than equal to 5. Okay, let's consider this part first, this part of inequality first, which says x square is less than equal to 5. So that means x square minus 5 is less than equal to 0. And I can write it as a square minus b square is less than equal to 0. So that means x minus 5 x minus root 5 into x plus root 5 is less than equal to 0. And for these less than equal to 0, one of them should be positive and one should be negative. So I'm going to consider this. Let me consider this as less than 0, less than equal to 0. X minus root 5 is less than equal to 0, which gives me x is less than equal to root 5. Okay, and the other one, it should be positive. So x plus root 5 should be greater than equal to 0, which gives me x is greater than equal to negative root 5. So x is less than equal to root 5 but greater than equal to root 5. And if we plot this on the number line, let's say this is negative 5 and this is negative root 3. So this is our solution set here. Okay, for this one. So greater than, less than equal to root 5 but greater than equal to minus root 5. Now let's consider the second part of this inequality, which says x square is greater than equal to root 3. So which gives me x square minus t is greater than equal to 0. And now this is a square minus b square, which is a minus b into a plus b is less than equal to 0. Actually, this is greater than equal to 3. So this is greater than equal to 3, greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0. And for this, x minus root 3 is greater than equal to 0, which gives me x is greater than root or equal to root 3. And this gives me that x should be less than equal to negative root 3. Okay. And if I plot this on the number line, these values of x, so root 3 should be somewhere here and the negative root 3 should be somewhere here. And the value, okay, negative root 3. And this is 0. So this is for this. X is greater than equal to root 3 means this region. And x is less than equal to negative root 3 means this region. And the common for minus 5, so minus root 5 to root 5, and the common region for these and these values of x is this region, that is this region and this region, and this region is negative 5 to negative root 3, and this is root 3 to root 5. So value of x, that is the domain, belongs to negative root 5 to negative root 3 and root 3 to root 5, and let's make union of these. So this is the domain, that is negative root 5 to negative root 3 union root 3 to root 5. And I just made one mistake here, that is it should be the closed interval. The values are also included. This is the closed interval. Okay, this is root 3 to root 5. Okay, now range for every, we know that the range for sine inverse x, where the values of x are -1 to 1, its range is negative pi by 2 to pi by 2. So our range is negative pi by 2 to pi by 2. Moving on to question number 22.